So it's a little bit hard to see, but the yellow framework forms a cube, and we define it as the MegaCube, and it's a nice, convenient way to introduce what a discrete space is. So discrete spaces give rise to kind of quantum phenomena, meaning that they're not continuous, but they come in different levels or quanta where they increase or decrease in value. But we define this as a man array plot, and basically arithmoid takes the approach that we're working more in the variable or angle space instead of in the group space itself. And so you can transform variables to shift or transformed into different topologies, where you can go from the sphere to the hyperbola, which Hamilton did even back in the mid 1850s in one of his books that looked at how a hyperboloid can form from the unit sphere itself. So in this example, there's blue and red curves, which are what we call two orthogonal hyperbola or hyperbolic curves, these white lines that run in between them. And basically the hyperbolic curves approach these white lines at infinity. Those are actually light axes that we've defined in arithmoid, which these things are causally related to. There's a space in between the two orthogonal hyperbola that exists that's non-local as physics would perceive it, or not perceive it, to be clear. But there's lots of very interesting mathematics and phenomenon that occur in these light regions that relate to special relativity, to invariance of the speed of light. And by way of a change of variable, normally when you're on hyperbola, you can go backwards and forwards on those, on the curve itself. And changing the variable, we can go from one hyperbola, travel across the circular arc there, which is a portion of a geodesic that's on a monad or a sphere, and then appear on the other hyperbolic curve itself. So we can take shortcuts to transform geometries, transform or go beyond the speed of light to go into a light region that's not normally accessible physically for us to see it, because physically we're pretty much bound by the group form, where if you're stuck in space-time, that's really your remain.